Welcome to another edition of Chart Talk. I'm Tony Ogorek. I'm here with portfolio manager Jeff Viksjo. And Jeff, the stock market has been known to be the great humiliator. In other words, you've got to trade, you've got to buy on one side, sell on another. And just as soon as everybody gets sucked into one side of the trade, market tends to move in the opposite direction. And that's known as contrarian investing. Let's take a look at our first chart, and it really sets up for a discussion on contrarian investing.
And it shows how difficult it is to time the market, even for these, supposed pros. And what this chart shows you is they just asked fund managers who are managing money, are you bullish on stocks or are you bearish on stocks? And this chart shows that fund managers, professionals, have currently the lowest allocation to stocks that they've had since the great financial crisis. So they're incredibly bearish. They're very negative on the outlook for stocks. And then, Tony, we know we just had, the absolute best month for stocks that we've had really since November 2020.
Yeah, let's take a look at our second chart here. And voila, we see in July, the market's up about 9%. You look at all those orange bars going down, and a lot of people must have thought, well, geez, if it's going down, it's just going to continue to go down. The Fed's going to continue to raise rates. And my God, the future looks bad, and Russia's still doing what's what. And we're hearing about inflation. Geez, can it get any worse? And what does the market do, Jeff?
Yeah, so if you bought into the consensus, which is the negative outlook for the economy, like you said, the war in Russia and Ukraine, you wouldn't have been in the market. You would have missed, this biggest move that we've had in years.
Right, and Jeff, one of the things we offer clients is rebalancing. So after we have a year like 2021, when the markets moved up a lot, your stock allocation may have gotten greater. We tend to pull it back. And again, just when, you want something to happen, I'd like it to continue going and give me overexposure to stocks, that's the time to pull it back. And when it looks really ugly and you don't want to buy, that's the time to be staying in. That's exactly what we've seen. And history, as they say, repeats once again. So thank you, Jeff, and thank you for joining us for this edition of Chart Talk.